Hi, welcome back to our show. Today, Celine Dion had to leave because she had to go rub Justin Timberlake's hair. And now we have our Patrick, Chinko, Bob Dog, Diggity Doo, the fourth.
Hello.
What do you do? Our Patrick, Chinko, Bob Dog, Diggity Doo, the fourth?
I babysit and rape kids.
I should turn you in.
No, I like to play my guitar with Maury. Play your guitar with him. Play your guitar with Maury.
Okay,
Hi,
are you a girl or a boy?
I'm an it. I have a boy part and a girl part. Big boobies.
Do you have a carrot?
Up my nose. Why are you asking me all these questions? I ask you questions. Why are you gay?
I'm not.
Shut up. Don't talk to me.
What's your favorite food?
Maury. Play your guitar with him. Play your guitar with Maury.
Okay, do you have a new hit now?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Play your guitar with Maury. Dude, why are you taking this seriously? I'm not kidding.
You have a fucker.
I do? Oh God. Let me pick it.
Dance for gold?
Yep. Gold.
Did you get like electrocuted when you got in the door or something?
No, I style my hair like this every day. It takes a half hour.
What do you use? Grease?
No, I don't shower at all. I just wake up from bed and go like this. And my hair is so...
You are a very ugly man.
What'd you say? I'm beautiful! I'm a beautiful man! You make me cry!
You're over it?
Yeah. Well, the fact that I'm prettier than you. Difference? I'm pretty ugly.
Yeah.
Pretty ugly.
So, do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
What's her name?
It's not a girl. It's a guy. Name's Nate Dude Dog Chickadee Bigger.
Does he have
A big what?
hair? A big
No.
head?
No! Big nose! He likes my hair. My hair is sexy.
That makes one.
Hey, big dog! Go home! I told you not to come in here! Leave! Play your guitar, Maury. Play your guitar with him. Play your guitar with Maury. I'm sick of this dang show! God! God!
Okay, well that's the end of today. We got some crazy people in here. Thank you for watching our show. We got one more person coming next.